Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW diesel 1 Series, finished in Estral Blue, my favourite BMW colour, and wow, what value for money this car is. It is a little hot on the high mileage side for us usually, but the car is impeccable for its age and mileage. So 68 plate, got front park distance control. You've got Michelin tyres all the way around. The service history is impeccable. It drives absolutely superb. It looks superb. It does not in any way look or drive like the mileage. Reverse park distance control there. It's the facelift model. But would be very hard to find many marks on this car. It's incredible. Boot area is in lovely condition. Parcel shelf. High spec as well, having full black leather interior. Just look at that, there is nowhere. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Seat doesn't have any wear on as you usually do getting in or out. This car would pass for 40,000 miles, not 140. So we've got auto headlights. I'll just start the car up. Starts on the button. All the warning lights come on and off. It's on 143.26 miles. The service history. All of BMW on the iDrive, and we've just serviced it and MOT'd it. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dealer services there. It's also got satellite navigation, full media pack including DAB, communication package Bluetooth, heated seats here as well. Climate control, different driving styles, 6-speed gearbox, absolutely lovely. Cruise control as well. This is great value for money. If you'd like any further information, please contact us on 07503 751 005. Thank you.